Donald Trump's self-described deal of the century may finally unveil itself.
President Trump asked me to extend an invitation to Prime Minister Netanyahu to come to the White House next week to discuss regional issues as well as the prospect of peace here in the Holy Land.
Netanyahu's chief political rival Benny Gantz is also invited. Details of the White House Middle East plan, a political proposal largely drawn up by senior advisor Jared Kushner, are still unclear. Israeli channel Kan News speculated that the US plan allows for Israeli sovereignty over the Jordan Valley. Another local station, Channel 12, meanwhile, reported that Jerusalem would be undivided under Israeli control, the Gaza Strip would be demilitarized, and Hamas would be disarmed. The launch of the plan has been delayed numerous times over the last 2 years. It is likely to face opposition from Palestinian leader Mahmoud Abbas, who was not invited to Washington. A spokesman for Abbas, who met with Putin on Thursday, warned Israel and the US not to cross any red lines. Since entering government, the Trump administration has broadly refrained from endorsing the two-state solution, a long-held foreign policy objective that envisages a Palestinian state alongside Israel. Whether the administration sticks to this remains to be seen. Donald Trump said all reports about the plan were purely speculative, but that details would emerge before the meeting on January 28th.